Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, well, I hope you'll enjoy your stay. In my previous episode, I have already shared with you different types of cover letters that you can send when applying to projects on Upwork. But I am still receiving messages both on Instagram and on Facebook asking me to give more Upwork tips or Upwork proposal tips. So in this episode, I will be sharing with you the most important factors that you need to consider before sending out proposal. So if this is something that you would like to learn more about, please stick around until the end of this video. First things first, choose your projects. Even if you have the skills and the experience, you have to ask yourself if it is within your interest and if it's something that you are very passionate about. Let's say, for example, you have helped a business coach increase her audience engagement rate, and you see this project requiring the same skills, but it's for a tech company. Now, the question is, are you interested working for a tech company? Is it something within your interest? Because if not, then don't bother sending a proposal. It's very important that you know who your ideal clients are. You know which ones you would like to work with and those that you are not interested working with. I see or I hear a lot of people telling that even if they have submitted a bunch of proposals, they don't get interviewed. Well, maybe that's because you may have the skills and experience, but they don't see that you have any interest in their industry. So the next time you send a proposal, choose your projects wisely. Once you are clear about your ideal clients and you have carefully chosen the projects that you would like to apply to, the next thing would be send a cover letter that is not too formal. Don't make it too boring to read. Add your personality because that's very important. That's what will make you stand out among the crowd. Your personality is your brand. So make it a little lively, enthusiastic, energetic, or anything that will catch the attention of your client because that's you and you are unique. So you have to make sure that when you send a cover letter, it speaks a lot of you, and make it conversational, make it informal because it's it's not supposed to be the typical cover letter or the application letter that we're sending out when we apply for corporate jobs. To be honest with you, you have to add some personality. It's very important. So try this one out and let me know if this works. Last but not the least, include in your cover letter the results and the value you can bring in. Let's say you're already good in Instagram growth, but what else? What else can you bring in? Let's say you have noticed that the client doesn't have a business page on Facebook and you have a working knowledge that you think you can help them build a Facebook page and grow their audience, expand their market, and probably cash in more sales. So include that in your cover letter because the more value that you can bring in, the more the client will be interested in reaching out to you. So take note of that, okay? And if this works for you, please let me know. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, please give this a like and subscribe and share with your friends.